Hi friends, in this video we are presenting some of the key proposals by the Finance Bill 2022. First of all, there is no change in the present tax rates. However, in case of cooperative societies, the alternate minimum tax has been reduced from 18.5% to 15% in order to align it with minimum alternate tax in case of companies. The surcharge in case of cooperative societies having total income ranging between 1 crore to 10 crore has been reduced from 12% to 7%. The reduced tax regime provided under Section 115 BAB in case of new domestic manufacturing companies shall now be available to all companies starting manufacture and production up to 31st March 2024 instead of 31st March 2023. To incentivize the startups, the tax benefit available under Section 80 IAC shall now be available to all startups getting incorporated up to 31st March 2023 instead of 31st March 2022. A long awaited amendment relating to taxation of cryptocurrency has been introduced by the Finance Bill 2022. Accordingly, now in case of transfer of any virtual digital asset, tax shall be levied at the rate of 30%, and any loss in case of transfer of such asset, the same shall not be allowed to be set off. TDS provision at the rate of 1% is also provided in case of payment on transfer of such virtual digital asset. It is also provided that when any gift is made of such virtual digital asset, then the recipient of such gift shall also be taxed. One of the important proposal by the Finance Bill 2022 is regarding updated return. Now SSEs would be able to furnish updated return to declare such income which were earlier missed out. While filing such updated return, additional tax has to be paid, and such updated return can be filed within 2 years from the end of the relevant assessment year. An important amendment is made in Section 68. Accordingly, now if any sum is found credited by way of loan or borrowing or any other liabilities, then the same shall be deemed to be explained only when the sources of funds in the hands of such creditor or entry provided is also explained. Thus now all the decisions wherein it was held that the source of source is not required to be explained would get nullified. Presently there are many cases wherein it was held that education cess will not be disallowed under Section 48(2), but now it is clarified that education cess will be disallowed under Section 48(2). As we know, any benefit or perquisite in relation to business or profession is taxed under Section 28(4). But it is noticed that such benefits and perks remains unreported. The Finance Bill 2022 therefore proposes a TDS provision in case of such benefit or perks. Accordingly, now, whenever any gift or perk, just like to a person who accomplishes his target, he is provided foreign trips, gifts, etc. Now the person providing such benefit shall deduct tax at the rate of 10% on the value of such benefit. However, tax will not be deducted where the aggregate value of such benefit during the financial year does not exceed 20,000 rupees. One of the proposal by the Finance Bill 2022 is that where any undisclosed income is found during the search and survey operations, the same will not be allowed to be set off against any losses. In order to reduce litigation, it is provided that when any issue identical to the issue already pending before the High Court or Supreme Court, then the revenue will not file appeal in respect of such issue until the issue decided by the court. Rest of the proposals we will discuss in our next videos. Thanks.